Hey! Hello everybody. This is such a pretty background. Look at it. It looks so fancy. Damn. Anyways, hello everybody. How are we all doing today? As you guys know, I kind of did an oopsie with my hair, and that is that I dyed it with permanent hair dye. Just because I couldn't find any semi-permanent hair dye, okay? I just couldn't find it and I was desperate, so I just dyed it with permanent hair dye, box dye, which apparently is like really bad for your hair and like not a good thing to do at all. I did it anyways, because I'm dumb. I'm interested to see... What is that? I'm just very interested to see how this hair is gonna fade. Because I swear to God, I said it in the video, I said it in like the hair dyeing video as well, but I honestly feel like this is gonna fade to blonde again. I feel, ooh. Something just happened with the clouds. Yeah, I honestly feel like this is gonna turn blonde again. I hope I'm right. But I thought, let me just document the hair fading, the hair color fading, and see like how long it takes, what works best and whatever. Like, I'm not going to actively try to get the dye out of my hair in this video because I literally dyed it last week, so I'm not gonna put like any fucking weird, I'm not gonna do like vitamin C treatments or anything like that. I'm just gonna live my normal life and I'm gonna see how long it takes for this hair dye to get out of my hair. Also, my normal life isn't like normal because I do like swim a lot over here. I go in swimming pools, I go in the ocean, so I feel like that would definitely like speed up the process, right? It's been a week. I think I washed my hair twice, so this is what it used to be. Isn't it adorable? Isn't it adorable? And this is what it is now. And I am actually about to wash my hair again. So I'm gonna wash my hair and then see what the color looks like after. Okay, I don't know if you can actually see the difference, but yeah, I just washed my hair and I do feel like it got at least a little bit lighter. It definitely did not get as light as I thought it would. Because like the first couple of times when I washed my hair, actually like a lot of hair dye rinsed out of it. And this time it wasn't that much. So I'm kind of scared that it actually did stain my hair way more than I thought. But maybe it didn't, I don't know. Because I definitely feel like it did get at least a little bit lighter, right? I don't know, let's see. What have I gotten myself into? Oh my God. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do to get the color out of my hair is I'm gonna go swimming. They cleaned the pool yesterday. So basically it's like filled with like chemicals right now, and I feel like that's gonna help it. It's gonna help get rid of the color. So yeah, let's take a dive in a beautiful swimming pool. Hey, here's an update on my hair color. After I think I went swimming 3 times since the last time I showed you my hair. 3 times in the swimming pool. I haven't been swimming in the ocean yet, which I feel like is probably gonna like do the most. Like, it's gonna fade it out better than the swimming pool. But this is the color right now. I feel like it's getting lighter, right? Yeah, it must be. It must be lighter. I think what I just need to do is I just need to swim in the ocean a couple of times, and I feel like then it's gonna be fine. I feel like Because this sea like fades the hair color so quickly. I don't know why, maybe because of like the salt. I don't really know why actually. But I feel if I do that, then I'll have blonde hair again. Well, probably not blonde, but it'll be light enough to dye it again. Cause yeah, I'm literally so over this color. I liked it for like an hour and then I didn't like it anymore. So let's see. Hey cuties! It's been, at this point, I think 3 weeks since I dyed my hair. And it is fading a lot, honestly. I feel like it's already light enough to dye it a different color, but I want to try to get it faded a little bit more before I do that. So today I'm gonna take a swim in the ocean. I can show you right now what I have. It's already super light. I mean, obviously you can still see it's like hair dye in it, but yeah, I feel like I can definitely get it out of my hair. Ooh. It looks super dry and damaged though, because it is super dry and damaged. Also, I just need to wash it, but I'm just gonna do that after I go in the ocean. Also, I really have to bleach my roots. So yeah, let's go to the beach. Itch, let's go get a wave. Stay, what do you want to say? Hello everybody, I made it to the beach. As you can see, I'm about to hop in. I really hope it's not gonna be too cold, but I guess it should be fine because it's literally like 30 degrees every single day here. Also, I kind of forgot to put sunscreen on, so I guess I just have to hop in as quickly as possible and go home again because I'm gonna get burned. Not have worn my sunnies, but okay. Oh my god. Wave. Okay. That was fun. The water is actually super nice. So yeah, I think I was in the water for like 10 minutes maybe. But that's kind of tricky because I'm like alone. All my stuff is like on the beach. Also a lot of waves, so I wonder how much it actually did to my hair, but I'm just gonna let the salt water soak in now, and then when I get home I'm just gonna wash my hair and then see if it worked or not. Let's find out. Hey. So it has been, I don't know, let me look it up, almost a month since I dyed my hair with permanent hair dye, and it's not blonde. Okay, I thought I was gonna like go back to blonde. It's not blonde, but it has become so light. Look at it. Look at it. And I didn't even use a color remover or bleach or vitamin C or like any of the weird things I normally do to my hair, and it faded better than semi-permanent hair dyes. Isn't that crazy? So yeah, the last thing that you saw was that I went to the beach. I only was in the water for like 10 minutes, so honestly it didn't really change my hair color that much. But then a day after, I went to the beach again and I actually went surfing for about like 2 hours, and that definitely got a lot of the color out of my hair. So this is what the color is right now. I was so scared when I used a permanent hair dye because I really thought it was gonna like completely destroy my hair, but honestly I don't think it's that bad. I do have to bleach my roots though, and I don't really know how like my roots are gonna react to the bleach, because like there is permanent hair dye on the roots as well, but that's a problem for the future. So I guess it takes a month to get rid of permanent hair dye. This is the whole fading process of like day 1 until day 29, basically. That's a big difference. Very excited to dye my hair again, because I'm over this. I'm over this. It needs to be obnoxious again. I cannot deal with any of this shit. So hopefully soon I'll have some crazy hair again. So yeah guys, this was today's video. Finally a video without fails. I like it when that happens. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao.